And the little red light on there, you can see it's
What's the red light?
the red light showing that it's being recorded.
Sit over there and see what's going on in that yard.
Probably not. Come on, go this way. There you go. Oh, I don't want to go over there and scare Gypsy. She's busy. She's going to scare her up there. What you doing? All right, come on, back this way. This way. No, not down. Turn. Oh, crap. Oh, shoot. Dang, that thing had gone too far. There you go. Try all that crazy. She ain't paying no attention. Oh, stop. Look. Dang. I better sit down. Trying to get the thank you. I'm trying to get the camera to look down. Try it again. Why not?
Well, not fast that time.
Yeah, it did.
How cool is that? Oh, tree.
Yeah, I know. You gotta be very careful when flying around here. Don't want to hit no trees or anything.
Looks like a big old beetle.
It does. I don't think it. No, it's got it. I got the camera facing down. I can get it to come back this way. I can change it again.
That's as fast as it goes.
No, I mean flying around.
Uh-huh.
Well, it goes faster. I just ain't. I don't. It's in this area where it's a lot of trees and stuff. Like I don't want to take chances on. Woo! Hold up there, Chief.
Daryl has one.
Yeah, he said he had one. Finish running around. Come. No. There you go. Now you say hello. Hi. Hello, people. this way. Slow down. Over. Forward. You don't know what that is. What is that? Oh, shoot. Ooh, thank you. I don't want to mess my blades up. Just got these blades.
Well, I'm gonna go eat.
Okay.
Take this thing off my leg. Oh, I'm so glad I don't have to work tomorrow.
Crap. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just make it past the fence. Make it past the fence. Nah, stop. No, gotta get you past the fence.